expensive?
The flying saucer.
The flying saucers are expensive?
Yeah.
They're hard to come by, too.
Yeah, you gotta go to the right alien.
The right alien?
Some of them are really nice.
Some aliens are really nice? Well, that's good.
The other ones are mean, and they steal your cat.
They steal your cats?
Yeah,
What do they do with the cats?
they eat their tails.
They eat the tail of the cat? Wow.
Poor kitties.
Poor kitties.
Not Tinkerbell.
No, Tinkerbell's too fast.
Ooh, they're faster.
Who's faster?
Aliens.
Aliens are faster than Tinkerbell?
When
That-
they get hungry for tails.
Oh, they get hungry for tails?
Yeah.
Wow. What else did the aliens eat?
They eat the tail of the cat.
Eat the tail of cats. And they loan out their flying saucers.
Yeah, that's what happened to Cuddles.
Really?
Yeah, they took it.
And ate his tail?
Uh-huh.
Well, how come he didn't come back without a tail?
Because they go brain dead without a tail.
They go brain dead without a
And
tail?
then they enslave the kitties with no tails.
Oh no, not Cuddles.
But he fought back.
He did.
Yeah, so
Oh, good.
now they got a flying saucer.
Did you take your pills?
He flew the flying saucer all the way back to our house.
He did?
Yeah,
Well, good thing.
it was so hard on him that he died.
Oh no.
We got to keep the flying saucer.
Well, Mommy's back with the flying saucer.
Oh, good.
Hey, Summer, did you take your pills?
What pills?
Did she take those pills?
No, they're up there.
You need to take your pills so your face doesn't swell up.